Vice President wa Kenya.
Ayena singa yabadenga amulondanga wano.
Yani mubizi.
Bwe yandisokeire ku.
Kale so ebye Kenya biba kubyanda olukubya Uganda video sebya US nti president deputy mwena mujja mu kalulu so aba ni mandate so katukigeranga ni wane Uganda nti president asolobinga ba minister bona yaleka speaker kuba speaker ali kumani ga abantu ba parliament abantu betulonda okujja mu parliament balonda speaker so emyaka jeta ntijiwaire ku pose ngaibye ino mawe yatolebwa ku kifecho nkobye pose ngaibye ino ai wabanga takoze ekyo yandisigalawo mbigano wano deputy speaker tayebwa comments government multi-billion electricity scale project uno wano ebya generator byona yabyogeire ku yalaga oba generator ne yali agisabye obabbe biri wano byayogeirwako 7 tough guidelines abantu bali kwenda kwira mukukunga iwanga baba wero obukwakuliza obukakali oba obukambwe banatambula batya bajja kwirawa ebyo nebindi nebiri kutambula mu iwanga eri Uganda wano sigini kyo mukulu akadinonia asekikubo dikamfukire kizibu abaka ba parliament betwagere kunawo mu kyama abandi baliko banti omusada yena engeri yakunonia musigini kya ti abuntu bulamu ayikutuswaze ino ayikujja ku ma radio taida difuna yomba ka parliament yanko ebigambe ebyo nakanti okay kale Museveni tubaganda clan
aye buli ojja mpulix ikiriza okunama bakubona akapale
Museveni to Buganda clan leaders stop embarrassing Uganda. Ono Museveni awakania abebika abatwale bike ebya Buganda abajiye Namibia eyo mbu bazze kulaba ku baffe kabaka akanti olusidi ko olw'omuluize ne Uganda omukulu muleke ayikufuna treatment timu kiswisa embalu wa namba Museveni jia wandise ngali kwira mu kunsonge eno bukumi bwa kabaka bwayongeirwamu bayongera okubifinga security ya kabaka awo nini amaji gabega kwingiza aba science aba professionals bona list ya fluime wainuma wakikobebwa anti banji ganaga regular balemererwa okwingira olwebiziwe byekusa ku maino bana mulabirira amaino gaimwe abana bali wansi w'emyaka 22 basubibwa amaje olwokuba nebiziwe bya maino gale mbituli kodi lyameneka ku lya bongo kaku obato bitawo so with list ya professionals yona ya fluime ani anabitakaguwa katulinde mu studios negativwa ku resident district commissioner owe palisa nasemba yotegeera luleinuma nga muchazi ali ayikwenda bwe mupi Jinja North minister balanda yeidamu kwawo yabivamu ng'omuntu omuwulize otegeera ndi mukama wa Lumbi yasoka abivamu nasembye owulira ndi kayi kwenda kubiramu ni Majidu dikusoka sebo nkwaniriza
yesa we wala kunchaza nendo okutwala omukisa okulamusa ku abantu baife nenda no kwebaza okundeta ni muganda nge Henry dikusoka tusimaine emirimo gyakola mu kitundu kyaife kino amuno kwongera omutindo ku Uganda yaife kuwatida kwa anti ayongera kusoga yonka ngabangula abana baife abe palisa bana balamwisa ino ninzo imwe didi ano kuredi enganze NBS okwogera ku nyomwe bale
kali nkwaniriza ino studio zinamu owekitibwa Henry Munaba dikusoka atenga ni director owa masomero ga St. Michael International mukugu mu byenfuna nebindi kamala sebo nkwaniriza
nsanga ino muto wange mwesigwa
era yoga nabo ine list eya masomero abana abafunye bifo ku university
actually nati amsabana 58 so far university ibiri donka ne daka from ya list ya 35 bali admitted and out of the 35 abina munana ba science courses nga mulimu architecture chemical engineering and the like
great
ekyonche baliza katonda n'abazaire ndina wa mukisaino kuba konti ndi mu studio ni mukulu wange you know my elder no mukulu wange dikusoka Majidu era abe budondo besimye I've liked his way of doing things. Eva ekisoka aba asumairinga. Ekyokubiri is a seasoned politician or administrator. I happen nti epalisani na yabazaira abaswika mu 10 era buli baida they mistake me either I'm the elder brother to Majid bakwati abasade mwe muli bakozi era abandi banko batu bali mututola ku tutwidamu ikiza kusala saka bridge kwira Busoga. So I think when we have ambassadors okuve wife wano ni bajeruyi ni bakole ebiriyo mwami dukusoka tusima.
Amen.
Ekindi tikuuliranga ku nti oyombye na opposition whether wane Busoga obere okutwa wako ba friendly Kiboko ekayunga ngole tamuwongo
aba nakwede tibali
Busoga mune yali commander yali general
yambe nkandi yokumuleka yawo
ayera yali ngali command post yali mu action mwene
mana banko am finishing agitegera.
So when he says nze mwami Majid dubo okuba nti olikwida mu kalulu I'm a friendly force.
Okay.
Yes
sir.
Kale nawawo tudakubanga twegeitibwa ku coordinator national coordinator w'abalimi b'ebikado oluvannyuma lw'okuba nti yona ebeire kudimu kunsasage mu weekend ebikado bamaliriza nga begeire abasuuzi b'ebikado bakobye abalimi b'ebikado bakobye nti beida supplyinga ba mirrors era ebyuma by'ebikado bikali kwetengera bulungi nga Kaliro Kamuli Mayuge Bujiri bankobye nti amu kubo bayigeirewo nga bazira bikado bya kugaya mpigano kachirayo yo je twakola ensobi twawana itaka ku freehold bantu watuli basoni wabachikola
itaka le freehold
nkutire musada yati ya misa council wana idinda bagaba freehold.
Oh my god.
So pigano madivani ye ali ku 60%, ali ku losing mu 40%. Aye aina tandikwa
ali ku 70.
Aina wentandikwa ye yokuliyanga kuwano
mwe bintu ebye itaka bino. What are we going to do? Lelo mba ndisome eyulire nga minister Mulamba ba minister babiri nga muli muno wife we Busoga nga batunda itaka eri ekibira baliguze empewo kira motozi lwenali wano nakyogera
minister we Busoga
muli mu minister we Busoga kyakulaga mwaba ni minister we Kayunga lugolo bya supervising sensor CN ya dozi enunje ino
muli munani owundi we Busoga no
kyakulaga
nga mponi nze ba Kigulu North ku muntu oyo
kyakulaga muwala we
leka babonebo
niba walaba Lugolobi Amos supervising Uganda Bureau of Statistics era nido nabayendi kusoma statement ya mawo ali mu UN nga ali kukoba atu ba refugees tulina milioni namba ne mitwalo 7 nga ubosi yako atu bali lunana mitwalo 8 ainga ili ministry of supervising atenga ali mu koti olw'amabati
tulabye
ate ng'omukulu yali
aya ate omukulu ndi kusaba asoka mukobe obata sobola kulizayininga kulwaki he should be fired. Eitaka how do you give freehold
omwana abalwani
omukulu yali akakoba ati mwegendereze ino ati ali mu mood president yako andi
yabakwa muve mu line yange
weda mu line ya corruption sawe
line ye twige kugema
njesa siri kuli buli
ai pose ine namba ye tusobola kuba kumulopere kuberi ye nsonga kamala
I used to have his number you don't
ngotwere kuguno gunamba ogwo mu set house ogwo kuba ku buli omu yagema
ani
president nende direct yo ku wiringa mukulu
president just go on Twitter he reads
aja kulwawa wai
asoma
katunoni appointment naye appointment of meeting atumukobere ensonga abana kiba tukoze
role hosting wano ya pino mubuze
njabi mukoba
byona compiling list yeyo nayo no mubuze
abayaye babiri wano abayi bali wano
ayo tutwenda abayaye that's nature
omwana yatukola kuwa nature freehold ayi tuda kutuka yeyo katutandikire biterevu ndikwenda comment ye mwendala yo tuveyo kuba tujja kwire songa ifene neino ejja kuba ya economy eya Busoga wano obeka weyinga kubikado eri yankobye tujja kutukawo tu discussing kuba eri yo mulimi yankobye nti Your Grace ojja kunkoba ebya law of demand and supply. Simanyi when supply is high, demand yeba ntono. Yakati kyetulikola ffe bamira zitwakobye nti tulina solution. Nga law of demand we ino leti we mutegeero bunje bya economics. Bwetika to creating a scarcity for 15 days. Nga muzirabika ado nti mpigano demand eje mu maiso kuba supply n'abantu n'munaba we munayira mu bintu bye mu revising economics kai mutwete nako no mwana yasomye ine
kyo atale bakikoze kisoga kirungi ino nti weba siba mu echebikado automatically sukali adakola ki
kunina
adakunina
kale tujja kutuka yeyo ndikwenda comment kuba UN government oli mu government president okuvayo ya myusa kuno ebibye Kenya bitugema kwino wetubise byamaguze bidana amafuta getuvuga gabitaawo n'ebindi byetuliko sasad no bya bitaawo kutuka wano president okumyusa cabinet yona it is unprecedented wano mu East Africa teacher abulido niwa abamini president yali kutiya bingiti yakera buke mwena mbagobi ngakabuko bati mpigano buti majidi kusoka oliwa oti ndi Paris abuti niwe minister wa agenda yogerango wa agenda but from to downwards she yabikola nga eti yakoba musisa mwena president okumisa minister bona kino kiragachi government ekutagala ebintu bimukalwibeku bimulemye biwabye my majid
ekisoka onkoze bulungi ino ngoberera ino ebyofuzi bya Kenya kuba bitugema kwino wano aya abantu abataidi Kenya bajiwana ayenga tibanalizinze politics wa Kenya politics wa Kenya ekisokerwako nti atambulira ino kumawanga atambulira ino kumawanga era woba tosobola kubalansinga bya mawanga tomusobola kyobobo natwenda okwebaza president wa Uganda owekiriwa president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nti n'ensonga eno yali mu myaka egy'ekinaana okuva enkaaga ensanvu kinaana nga politics wa Uganda yena atambulira ku mawanga n'amadini. Ekyokubiri ngukwenti ngoberera ino politics wa Kenya owekitiibwa Ruto president wa Kenya ali kyetweta mu panic mood
kudagadira.
He never had advisors. Oba strategy yagikola atya, he was not well informed. It was not a researched campaign. Because iwe waka abaana we bayida niba kubakerere ni mukairewe nga bakoba ati oyo gondi tumwenda ayengozira reason tomugoba bugobe
kwegamba
eka submitting nja kwenda wao waliwo point eyindi
kikwewunisa atenga yali deputy president for 10 years achikulaga nti yayiga kitono ino kuba ali mpaniki yefaniza no musada ngoli no buzibu waka abageme ebintu yanoba yavoaka yasenguka ngaloza ate kizibu kidakola ki kidakuwa because we maze omubona kine ekigrupu ekyabavubuka ba hustlers kodi beta ba general
generation Z
yes kwegamba ba mugema waluma bategera nti olobuti agonze beyongere muki amani tidi ko banti yandibaira kola obati cyari kibino speaker okubanga alikola mulimo gwe ogwa speakership ne balumbewe bayitente bakola ki anga police setting bulingirire kibakitegeza nti Ruto waliwo saweno abachukuyu ngabo nkoye n'abajawulo batandise okuba nti omuntu ona aka ekika ekitondolo kiti lwaki kida kyakola ki kyatukulembera kwegamba olw'obukulembeze guno batandise okuliira ku sowaani endala kyendowooza nti kijamuleetera obuzibu twabale tukali awo akali kwebyo ebyokugoba wa minisita IGP yakola ki
ya resigninga
olichibona
so resignation ya by public stint ya mkovye wotaliza nganja kugoba
yes olichibona
say diplomatic war
kano tolitegera kijaba olwa kubiri oba kumande
otyo
olichibona so nze ndiroza nti one kichali nokola ayina okwirayo ku drawing board ategerenga ni head of state emyaka jasigaiza
era ali
olichibona two alina okola ekisoboka kyona kankobere mwesigwa president wanasinga abantu bingi actually Museveni balowooza nti obugonvu bwe n'obunafu bwe alina okola ekisoboka kyona deputy bamwize baide ku meza ndala deputy president bwaba takoze atyo kijamuleetera ekizibu president bwe yajja mu kaluka n'akasembayo bweka wakati yakuba ati ensobi davawa yeire yebaine abama mbabazi bona yeire yebali era buti Museveni watolde kigere abama mbabazi wakola ki wata abantu abandi balowooza nti okuba omugonvu buba munafu ama obugonvu obwoludegere n'amaani garo so ze ndirowooza nti Ruto one aikeikane
era bwali
aikeikane ategere nti ekintu ali kikye two ndowooza bwe yajja mu UN proxy ya UN yamulya nga endogera ya leero bweri yamulya alowooza nti ali waiguru ino bwe yavueyo yeera n'amampa ati maki mangi ino aterera aikeikane ategere nti Kenya kuba Kenya ebizibu byayo okola ebintu birabina aye eri ebintu byotagemaako Kenya kasitogema ku kintu kya bando n'ebidandali obo balese
kale webaleno mwa Majid mwamidi kusoka Kenya our neighbor eiwanga lino ndikwenda tuliringe ku n'amaisho agenda ulo ali kutuuliza ino tegera nti Kenya eri obuyinza president bwazira ngo bwana owa wanabulina for example wano president Museveni neyerondera Ssaabalamuzi neyerondera Ssaabaduumizi wa polisi neyerondera Gwasimyo Dumira amagye nasalawo nti amagye bisaino amagye gave erezi yagobadde manko basinga babitanga obite bali parliament eringa kubulinge nti twende era mwami Museveni asanulamba esawa muka gobuli akanti buti amagye mbalagire nve mbalakisi mwire ku streets Kenya chanda ulo oyina ofuna resolution ngeri ku minutes ndisebo twakwikiriza amagye gayiwe mu bantu era luta amagye gasoka yagaleka kumbali kuba azira lukusa olunge kirwa amala kuwandika ya inonola yawe reasons mama jakant kali
but command yango akali ni commandinga head of state
he is but constitution yemulobero gayiwe obuyiwe ku street
yes but tosobolaga yuwa but nekindi kasolemerero okuba commander nze nkuwa ekyokuboneraku okutangira abaana okujja ku farm ya speaker
no
kyali balimu yekera
not only that you remember thank you very much ebizibu bya Kenya ekisoka cheni bino before I go into the deeper the constitutionalism byatandika Ruto we are vice president. What Gachagua is doing to him is what he did to Uhuru, according to what we read. Yali more opposition throughout. Katwa aba more opposition throughout. Nga muganda nge bwakobye nti yali vice president for 10 years ayalinga ezache yayegayo. When you are in opposition, you are fighting instead of learning. Kati yaje okuwekinga apu ngali munte batipu ayenga yerabire. The worst thing cheyakola yaje fighting a tribe accounting almost 40% of the population in Kenya. That is the Chikuyu. Gachagua is from the Chikuyu land. Mpegano Chikuyu already yali elimu opposition ya Uhuru. So it was very easy for Gachagua disorganizing Ruto. Now that aside, eranzo wano chene baliza tubane Uganda twakuba ntulina emisolo mingi amabanda mangi, but I want people to travel and feel. Last week or the other week, last week I think nali Kenya nali Nairobi. I had a meeting. I flew in Nairobi.
Atwali kwe kalakasa.
Nga kwa kaba a day before. But I was restricted. Now ni condition. Nze kyava mu vicinity ya airport. My meeting was within the airport.
Esawa yonna ngoni
but my brother there was ngezira ngabana bateka inzovwa niko airport ngemotoka tidiri kuida. It was a tug of war. Aye echamala ku uzu najja na mu airport na chenyinga ku emitwala asatwe ya Uganda nafuna Kenyan shillings najja nanu akachaye
otyo
nga ukanuko na mujavas najja okufula nye sente denu ile chai akakopa ako mitwalo 10 ate
wakano ku 10
theirs is cashless. Wobolina cash, I had to bring my passport to receive real cash by na card. Nti every transaction woboli kunwa chai eriko chi omusolo.
Maybe we are city ndi wali mchiwo.
No, it is everywhere. I've been to Nakuru.
No,
go Kisumu.
Nene masene no. Once in Saya.
My brother.
Busia.
So omusolo Kenya mungi ino. Ekyokubiri Kenya ya borrowing but there is also a lot of corruption.
Oben solo za yomusolo ne strict. Mwami senjaye if we say.
It is not strict but it is transparent.
Nchimpigano mwisho kudojinga.
Wane Uganda tuzira transparency. Tulibatona aba emisolo. Era nze mpulira bananga abayomba sawe no URA tuli bubi. If abatandiko ba compliant okuveira. URA eza cherichwa. Era nze if nze nganze Henry. Yenamba ino kukuma record dange. Kwana ebifile nga bimbulako. I will receipt je mfune ja ku system ya ja ku email. Mpegano yuwe mwesi gwabayire avunguliye sente nga tosasula musolo. You are now start feeling it here. So Kenya they went too long ziningi. Also corruption was too much by wasting a lot of time in politics of division. Baba ni constitutional by now democracy too high which cannot be sustained in a growing nation. In that president vice president wa abalonde wa president tosobola akolachi
kumugoba
president asobola nakugoba ba judge ba Supreme Court bona bajja mukasengeda mpegano batogemye bulungi tolonze bulungi okoze research enkobye wale if you don't research well no that your campaign is well researched and informed
okola mistakes
no gwa mu bintu kuba weyeye bwe yaidali ali mu guntalo and they made a coalition of the willing for purposes of okubitawo. Coalition of the willing, it means oyaidye nakola coalition wa amala ofuna kire kyavireku aja kutandika presenting his core ideas there in before you came into a coalition.
Obo musada wini yekuba ndidukira Ruto yali ku 50 point around 2 Baba Odinga yali ku 48.5. So ndikuona difference yali around 1%. Maybe that's
there is also a feeling among the youth, especially the youth. The youth balonda baba. Balina that feeling iti akaluluba kagemamu. Are you getting me?
I never want to bring any feeling here.
The issue eyokuleka nibajani nibakuba farm ya Uhuru di family ye. It was the spike of political unrest in Kenya. Secondly, even if Uhuru is doing, Ruto is doing the right things, a panicking. You don't panic. It is too fast. And I want you also to go and record it. Chibachi one time, ya firing up cabinet. It was it over 205 or 15. Ya firing entire cabinet, ba permanent secretaries ba bangana bali in charge. IT yaji firing because there was pressure. Yaji firing nga mazo kwa assessing afunye intelligence and corruption was too much. Ruto has fired the cabinet after pressure. Singa Chirina yali are firing a cabinet even before tabling the budget, the appropriation bill in parliament. People would understand, but he may be having very good reasons. Kulacha fire in the cabinet. Aya table yomu buti aliko banti aliko kolera paniki. Buti IGP ya resigninze. Next week you may hear another senior official nti resigns. Yayenda okuleta amaje ku street. High Court yava yakoba ati be. Yaba condition is tumuli nakola kino, tumuli nakola kino, tumuli nakola kino. But those Kenyan young boys and girls are so daring. You must be very smart to manage them. There's a lot of unemployment. Abana okusoma kuli expensive. Abandi tibasoma. Kenya yali ya cerebralizing education. So they are dejected. It is very difficult okufuga abantu abatali well informed atenge misolo mingi.
Okay.
Then there was a lot of corruption in Kenya among the public officials. Eba owner from the gold scandal, you remember those days. Eba ngeri entrenched. The other day I told you that in the East African community we need the person. Kagame was lucky. Nti ye ya ensibaji sweeping ya idana ababe yabawa police boyiva kusiva boyiva firing squad kino ni kino. So there's some bit of sanity in Rwanda in terms of corruption index.
Okay.
Wane waifwe na walala. Chovobo na ni minister bamwandika kuntia ibye yaibe itaka ya liguze ekitongo kya government yafuna billions aye ya jam cabinet ya tesa ne bayine ba nodingo omutwe. Aye nga ali mu koti. So these are issues that must be handled squarely. Nze I feel nti waire ekiri Kenya cyane baye kitufu okufiringa the entire cabinet. Chabaire kisobi kuva.
Enfuga ya
bajaja mu opposition bonabona ku disorganizing ate bagayiga.
Enfuga ya Ruto ya ndibam yefananiza mu kukibaki.
Ngoli kwida muku. N'abantu batandise questioninga first family like ono mwala Charlie daughter Ruto. Oyo daughter wa Ruto. Avayo ni statement as if is a cabinet minister.
But he has a position as a first daughter.
Yes, but the way Jatan
is it constitution?
Abavubuka. Olibona bwe batandika okwekalakasa. Ngazifu ni minister wa in charge wa youth kwegamba aswazi zaino Ruto.
Pray David Yaman. Nkumi 2